Steve, the shitty goalie in net. Hurry up, my hands are cold. I'm gonna have a cigarette.
There you go. Smoking bad for you.
Fuck off. That's trying to bring down all the fun.
I hear smoking makes you bald.
Let's do this. Oh, this frame rate's awesome. Hold on. Oh, holy crap, it's cold. L2P, Steve. Got it, got it, got it, got it, go! Oh, wait. I don't know. Man. This is going on YouTube under worst goaltender ever. The Wild should sign you.
Yeah, we can edit it where all of a sudden when the puck goes right past me, all of a sudden it's disappears. So
Yeah, I'll Photoshop the X behind you, and we'll put a Wild logo on your jersey. And it's like the Minnesota Wild, and we're good. Oh, he's playing aggressive. Far stance. Doesn't help much. He still blows. It's in the net, doofus. I did.
yeah, really. No, it's away. My sister used to say. Back in hot six.
Oh! Off the dome! Steve, hold on. How's that one feel? Or no, wait, let me guess. It's loud.
Good, loud.
Ooh, he's playing aggressive. Is he gonna stop it? Probably not. Lucky. Puffy.
Puppy? Just call me a puppy.
Puffy.
Puppy!
Bricky! Steve's looking like a pro. Obviously not NHL caliber.
There's a good one.
Needs to. If this were a video game, I'd have to upgrade your toughness.
Yeah. Can you guys upgrade my stats?
Don't hit me in the back of the leg, Matt.
Hit him in the back of the leg. Alright, do it. Do it. Do it. Everybody wants to see it. Sure.
Bullshit! I am all that is America. Steve with a lucky save. Oh, hold on. No, I'm going to go net cam.
Nice.
Look at that. Look at that ugly mug.
I'm white trash and I'm in trouble. That's from the South Park.
Don't fucking hit me.
Hit him.
Oh, this is such a bad idea. Look at that ass.
Oh,
Dead
yeah.
ass. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Ah! Delay of game. Steve sucks.
That's not even part of the rule.
Ah!
Every time it comes back.
Okay, I'm done with this. This is fucking terrifying.
I like these.
I don't trust these janky rink nets.
I love that commentary.
Lucky. Oh shit, I'm not recording.
Oh,
No, I'm kidding.
why you gotta play me like that, sucker?
Delay of game, Steve sucks, and he moved the net.
You know, I really want to see a rule book. I never heard that in hockey.
Delay of game, illegal ugly.
That one's real.
Oh, look at that bite. Look at that bite. Oh my god. Swimming lessons? Steve, you gotta wait for the ice to thaw.